Hello, everyone. My name is Emian Mom. This video, I will present my final project on an AI-powered phishing URL detection system. This project focused on using artificial intelligence to identify phishing websites automatically, which is an important problem in cybersecurity today. Uh, Phishing websites are major cybersecurity threat. Attackers create a fake website to steal sensitive information. The problem is that phishing URL keep changing, so traditional rule-based system cannot detect them effectively. That is why this project uses AI to learn pattern and improve detections. The dataset used in this project contains 200,000 URL, include 100,000 phishing and 100,000 legitimate URL. A total of 89 features were expressed as URL structure, domain information, and security indicator. The feature help the model identify pattern of phishing behavior. This slide shows a sample of dataset include extracted feature and the label indicate whether the URL is phishing or legitimate. In addition, I use .1 million trusted domain dataset for domain reputation checking. This help reduce the false positive by recognize where no legitimate website. This slide shows the overall system pipeline. First, the input URL go through pre-processing, including label, encoding, and training, testing, splitting. Then, features are extracted using the FIDF file sequence data prepared for the deep learning models. Next, both machine learning and deep learning model are applied. That they are combined using an assembly method followed by the evaluation and trusted domain. Finally, the system output whether the URL is phishing or legitimate. The dataset is split into the 80% training and 20% testing. Simple is used to ensure a balanced distribution of phishing and legitimate URL. The training set is used to train the model, while testing set evaluate the performance. The DFIDF is used to convert URL into the numerical features based on the character pattern. Its analysis sequence of characters to capture pattern common found in the phishing URLs. This allows the model to understand threshold in URL instead of just raw data. SPT is used to reduce the number of features from a very large site to a small one. This helps improve training speed while keeping the important information. It makes the model more efficient without losing performance. Logistic regression is used as a baseline model for classification. It works well with the high dimensional data, provide a simple and interpretation result. This helps us compare performance with more advanced model. SPN is effectively for the high dimensional data. Is find the optimum boundary between phishing and legitimate URL. This have to improve classification accuracy. When the borrowers use multiple decision tree to improve prediction accuracy, it can capture more complex pattern in URLs. Feature this make the model more robust and reliable. The DNN learn complex relationship between features is have improved detections performance by capturing deeper pattern in the details. By LSTM analysis URL sequence in both forward and backward direction, this have captured more detailed pattern in phishing URL. GRU is similar to the NSDN efficiency with field parameter while still capturing important pattern. Overall, this project showed that AI can effectively detect phishing URL with a high accuracy. This is a confusion metric for all of the models. This slide compares the performance of all models. All models achieve high accuracy, but the other perform the best. This shows that both machine learning and deep learning models are effective, but deeper model can capture more complex patterns. This slide shows the assembled model. The deeper model analyzes the same URL. Their predictions are combining using average probability. This improves reliability because of the one model error can be corrected by other. Finally, the system output whether the URL is phishing or legitimate. This slide shows that how the model performance is evaluated and improved. ROC, AUC are used to measure the classification performance. A trusted domain check help to reduce the false positive threshold tuning, adjust detection sensitivity, and the error analysis have identified weakness, model weakness. There is the ROC curve, and then there is the threshold tuning. There is the error analysis. Next, I will be showing I will be demonstrating how the phishing URL detection system work in the practice. Uh, So first I will be checked with the phishing URL. So the URL is analysis using the multi-machine learning and deep learning model. In this example, the final result in the classification as a phishing with a very high probability. All models are agreed on the prediction with the increased confidence in the result. The system also provides explanations such as the specific pattern and domain informations. Next slide, I will be test with our university website. So this example shows a legitimate URL. The system predicts the legitimate with a low phishing probability. Most models are agreed on the predict with the increased confidence. The trusted domain check also confirms that it is known if the safe website reduce the risk level. In conclusion, this project showed that AI can effectively improve phishing detection using the multi-model, increase reliability, and reduce the error. Overall, this system demonstrates a practical cybersecurity solution for detection phishing URL. Thank you.